Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran. From Yaad to abroad, the Queen of Dancehall, Spice, honored by the state of Georgia.
From the state of Georgia, the Secretary of State, Brad Raffensperger, the Secretary of State of Georgia, we do hereby proclaim Grace Latoya Hamilton as an outstanding Georgia citizen. May this outstanding citizen be afforded every courtesy as a goodwill ambassador from Georgia in her travels to other states, to nations beyond the borders of the United States of America, or wherever she may hereafter travel or reside.
Grace Hamilton, more popularly known as Spice, was recently invited to the Georgia state capitol, where she was recognized for her outstanding citizen achievement at the influential Women of Georgia Day. In an Instagram post, the DJ, who was beaming with gratitude, said, "My dear, little Gracie's here, walking into rooms I never even dreamed of." Yes, Jesus. She also lauded fellow honorees, executive producer Mariah Huck and her co-star in Love and Hip Hop, Rashida. Shaggy's Lottery album gets a star-studded lineup. American R&B singer Jeremiah, plus Robin Thicke, Sting, Akon, along with dancehall superstars Idonia, 450 and Dexter Daps are confirmed for Shaggy's upcoming album, which is set for release May 15. Lottery marks the Grammy-winning artist's 18th studio project. Now, on the international scene, Cardi B has scored another legal win. On Monday, a federal judge in Texas dismissed a $50 million copyright infringement lawsuit tied to the rapper's song, Enough, Miami. The case, filed by two producers, claimed the track copied their song, Greasy Fry Bread, and caused reputational harm. The Grammy-winning star's legal team argued the original song wasn't properly protected when the suit was filed. The plaintiff's attorney says they have now secured a federal copyright and are weighing next steps, including refiling the case. This marks Cardi B's second courtroom victory in recent months after a jury cleared her in a separate lawsuit case last year. Now, Megan Thee Stallion hospitalized after Broadway show. Her spokesperson shared that she became ill while performing in Moulin Rouge, the musical, on Broadway on Tuesday night. She was discharged from hospital after being treated for exhaustion, dehydration, and low metabolic levels. Her spokesperson says she will rest and plans to return to the show on Thursday. Now, Sean Diddy Combs is getting out of prison a little bit earlier than previously expected. The FBI's website now shows a release date of April 15 in 2028 for the music mogul, just 10 days earlier than the previously listed date. The 56-year-old's release date has shifted a few times in both directions recently, but usually by no more than a few weeks. Combs is serving a 50-month sentence for transportation to engage in prostitution. He was acquitted on more serious sex trafficking charges that could have resulted in a life sentence. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.